Quality at Mitotec is not a final checkpoint. It is built into every stage of the manufacturing process. The process begins with incoming material verification. Certifications are reviewed, materials are inspected, and documentation is tied directly to each production lot before machining begins. During production, inspection happens where the work occurs. Operators and quality technicians verify critical dimensions throughout the run, ensuring any variation is identified early and corrected immediately. Our metrology department provides the capability required for complex geometries and tight tolerances. Coordinate measuring systems, optical inspection platforms, and calibrated gauging allow us to validate parts with repeatability and confidence. Statistical process control allows us to monitor trends over time, ensuring processes remain stable and capable. Traceability and documentation are part of our daily operation. First article inspections, lot tracing, and inspection records ensure customers always have access to the data they need. For our customers, this means reduced risk and confidence that every shipment meets, and in many cases, exceeds expectations.